Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So today I'm planning to make some Somali dish. This dish is not that complicated. As you can see here, you have carrots, you have tomatoes, and then onion, and then barbaroni. What do you call this? Green pepper, barbaroni, yes. And then we have and potatoes. So this dish is called Baasto Iyo Baasto Iyo what it means is like spaghetti. Spaghetti is our staple food, by the way. Spaghetti and a side. So the side is made up of this plus all these things combined. And then I also have chicken that's boiling there in the pot. So first I want you to see like the procedure I will follow. I will not be saying, just see like how I'm gonna do things, and then yeah, it's my first trial guys, no judgment. So I will first cut my, wait, let me put this here. I want to first cut my onions. I'm cutting my onion, one full onion. And if you want to know how I reached this far, this tall, I mean not this far, I'm using step ladder, please. So yeah, my onion cutting style is really bad. You'll have to spare me a little bit. That's my Kenyan accent. Yeah, that's how I normally cut the onion. Okay, first divide it into two, and then yeah, everyone has their own style of cutting onions. So I normally cut it this way. It's gonna be big, but don't worry, all will go inside. And then you do this. Where are you going? Yeah, and then yeah, that's how I cut my onions. They're so big, but it gives me the result I wanted, so there's no problem. Oop. So I want to put my onion here in the pot. Yes, all the onion here. I'm crying, guys. The only time when I shed my tears is when I'm cutting onions. Whether you like it or not, onions will make you cry. Whether you like it or not. Oh. So as this one in Somali we call you guys want me to fall? I don't want to fall, please. If you know anything better that I can use for my kitchen, you can always DM me, or if you are a brand out there who knows better step ladders, because you see I was almost falling. So now I'm cutting the carrots. I'm not good at cutting carrots, but yeah, but who cares? Now it's better now. Then cutting full carrot, a little bit of work. I should be using a different method of cutting carrots. So if you know another method of cutting the carrot and then better, always you can share. But I like when my carrots are in the side, you know. I like when the carrots are in the side. I want to be scooping them later as I munch my Baasto Suqaar. I tell you, is the like spaghetti, and then you have yes, spaghetti, and then whatever, what do you call that? On the side, guys. I'm loading. I'm so sorry. I'm loading too much. I am loading. I am loading. I'm very sharp. I'm not loading fast. Very sharp. So 2 carrots. I think there will be enough. I will collect the mess later. Don't look at the mess. So meanwhile, you can also tell me like how better I can cut my carrots while still maintaining the shape, because I don't want them to be the small slides that some people normally make. But if there is a better way of cutting them, I will always appreciate down in the comment section. Yeah. So the maximum this one will take you is about an hour. 1 hour is the maximum it can take you preparing this meal, and then you are set. You're set for the day, or for the week even, for that matter. You are set for the week, for that matter. So next is my potatoes. Did you say potato or potato? Whatever. Potato. So I'm cutting my potatoes, and please, I don't do the whatever. I like this. I eat my potatoes with the outer cover, but I cut it very small. So some people will suggest like I should peel the potato, but I'm not a fan of peeling, and also I want to save time, you know. No need. Let's I'm a fan of cooking, guys. I started cooking in 2022 August, when I came to Canada. And if you're a Somali, you can relate. I never cooked before. I started cooking 2022, but it's been good now. Since then, I can make my own meal. No need to spend money on buying food from Uber or something of that sort. So yeah, economical, guys. You be economical. Save some bucks, for that matter. I like singing some Somali songs as I cut my potatoes sometimes. You know, it's so soothing. You know, when you know how to sing. Yeah, you know, it's so satisfying, guys. Three potatoes. I mean, sorry, not potato. I mean tomatoes. I think that's a bit a lot for one person, but I want to be eating this food for long, so it's worth it. It's worth it, guys. It is what it is. 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 Yay, that is my potato, my tomato. Why do I like confusing potatoes and tomatoes? So yeah, that is my tomato prepared there. Let me go and pick another container for the potatoes. Yeah, 2 more blades. One for my potato and one for my tomato. I can just skip this here because I don't need anymore and I don't want to be spilling this thing. I can use this one for the potatoes. I'm very good at peeling, by the way. I don't wanna, you know, the first days when I was first starting how to cook, I used to peel like the potato flesh, so and I end up wasting a lot of potatoes. But since then, I have learned how to be economical. Yahoo! I'm gonna pick that later. I will. So yeah, I'm not wasting potatoes now. I'm afraid I will cut my hand. But now I'm a professional cook now. I am a cook. So guys, yeah, I have now everything ready. My potatoes well cut in cubes, tomatoes, carrots, and the onion here, and that thing I will add it later, like when everything is ready, when the side is really ready. So then I will add. So the next thing I want to do now is like I want to show you, take you through the process of how you mix and what you do put first and then what later. Yeah, I will take you through that in the next. Guys, now I want to take you through the next step. This is the chicken that I boiled chicken and removed some of the bones. It's really nice. And then this is the pot I will be using because it's a bit big and I hope it can accommodate most of my stuffs. Everything will go here. So disclaimer or like heads up, if you see me go off the camera, I'm the only one. I don't have someone to follow the camera with me. I'm just here alone. Yeah. So I will be going off the camera, but not like for so long to pick some of my stuffs because I can't do it. So I will be picking some of my stuffs, the ones that I cut, the onions, the potatoes, the tomatoes, and the carrots. All of them are on that side. This is my chicken, and this is the pot where I'm gonna put. I already have some oil that I put, so I will be placing everything here, as you see. So I will start with the onion and fry it until like it starts to turn the color, and then second I will add the tomato, followed by the potato, and then yeah, you will see the procedure. And then I will be using this as my spices here. is a collection of spices. I added so many things together here, and they really like look. They make the food nice, like look nice and smell nice, as you could say. So let's go. I'm gonna go off the camera now.